president, they've always been saying this, that the only way we can change, we can transform the economy of our country, it is through entrepreneurs. And multi-level marketing like Longreach, it is a platform that is going to produce entrepreneurs. Like Happy was saying, she has hired people. Isn't it that contributing towards the economy of our country? Yes. I also recently became a stockist. As a result, I've employed people. Isn't it that adding value to the economy of our country? Yes. We are no longer dependent on our government. Instead, we are adding value to the economy of our country. And thanks to this platform. Are you all catching me? Yes. If you used to be like me, to look down at those who were doing multi-level marketing, get to go away, change today. Yes. A former IT portfolio manager is standing in front of you. What decided to pay? So this profession, it's not for the desperate. It's not for the uneducated. Do you understand? That's why I'm giving you my background, to show you that it's not for the uneducated. It's not for the desperate. But it's for anyone who has a dream. What is your dream? What is your dream? Because this platform is not a job opportunity, but it is a tool that we can use to achieve our dreams in a shorter space of time. I've recently tapped into the portfolio of properties. I don't think I would have been able to do so with the loan from the bank. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Yes, yes. But I've managed to do so through this. This is what? A tool. It's not a job opportunity. It's a tool to achieve your dreams. Wow. Right. Can we move to the next slide? I want to show you, I'm going to move to this next slide now, because you want to know how you can get there. So I just want to show you how you can do it. The next one. How to get there. Oh, we left the T. How to get there. It's simple. Get the 3 that share your vision. It's not about going and finding 3. Get the 3 that are like you. That's what I always tell people. It's not about just 3 and you place there. You'll be in trouble. But get the 3 that are saying, Vivian, we are hungry. We want to walk with you through this journey. You all get that? I need a 3 that is going to say to me, Mamela, I'm tired. You need to reach a point where you say, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Yeah. You need those 3. That's why Happy was saying to you, she only got the right one on the 7th generation. So you don't stop looking. Look for people who share your vision. Yeah. You look for the 3 that think like you. They need to think like you. The moment you have those people, you are in trouble. Because they'll think when they join, they're there to push you or to boost you. But you need someone, Ozoti, my sister, my brother, let's work together. Let's work together towards, changing or adding value to the economy of our country. Need for someone who thinks like that. Don't look for someone who still think like umuntu employed, an employee. Look for someone who's an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is someone, when there's a problem, they look for solution. They immediately dive into a solution mode. But umuntu who's having a stop, complaining, know that you haven't found your 3. Do you understand that? Yeah. Once they're still complaining about stock, they're not finding solution, then you haven't found your 3. Alright? The second one, you need to be consistent, like Happy was saying. You need to be consistent. Consistency is important here. Imagine if I stopped doing what I was doing after I found who Happy Nabochabi. Where will you guys be? Do you understand that? Even though I don't feel like doing it, and that talks to persistence, be persistent, I still do it every day. I still send them voice note, I still encourage them. This one I like, pay attention to details. Pay attention to details. When you are a leader, or when you are a member, you need to pay attention to details. Yeah. Do you understand? Small things count in your team. Do you understand what I'm saying? Pay attention to details as a leader. The mistake we make is to miss that. You talk anyhow, And you think when they're clapping hands, they're actually excited. Some are clapping because they are moved by emotions. But if you pay attention to details, you'll see their facial expression that they're not getting you. And you'll immediately switch and be at their level. When I go to East Africa, I'll not go there alone. I normally take a doctor because I know that people from East Africa, most of them are intellect. They already have above master's degree, paying attention to details, know where you're going. Do you understand that? And when you go into a crowd of the youth, I can't be standing here, committing the no happy and excite them. I need to love flow. You understand? It's paying attention to details. Know who you're dealing with. We tend to make that mistake and make an assumption that I can't bring Dr. Lesego to this crowd. Do you understand what I'm saying? Pay attention to details. Know your audience. And lead by hand. When you are a leader, you lead by hand. What do I mean by lead by hand? You become a doer. You don't say, go and recruit when you're lead. You understand that? You lead by hand. Hand, you work as well. You understand? When you talk about platinum VIP, you need to be a platinum VIP now. Remember, this is spiritual. It transfers as well. Do you know the laws? What you as a leader do is a transfer from Pezulu down there. You cannot fool. Everything in life is spiritual. And you cannot fool things of the spirit. So I cannot say, be platinum VIP, knowing that I'm not a platinum VIP. And thinking that I can fool my team. Do you all understand, leaders? Yeah. Lead by hand. If you're saying 30 PVs, be the first one to do your 30 PV. Mauchi Asambe, you become the first one to say Asambe. And when you are a leader, when I say you lead by hand, you become the last one to jump the ship. Normally the boat is sinking. You be the last one to jump. When it's sinking, you don't even show them that you're panicking. When you still lead, like, you know, the general in the army, you're still saying to them, let's go on, let's press on. That's leading by the hand. And that's what I do, those who know me. Noma Gugu, they will even ask me when I'm on my emotions. I do cry at home. I do cry in silence with my husband. But when I am with her, you need to be press on. Yeah. We're doing it. Go. Yes. You understand? I was like, no, you're being hard. No, you are a leader. When you're a leader, you are the last one to jump the ship. Mama Tabuna stop with this corner. Yeah. You understand that? Yeah. Mama, what must I do? What you gonna choose space? Work with what you have. Yeah. Go on. I still need to be down. That's being a leader. And your people eventually they will catch the spirit. They will catch that spirit. But if you are a leader that complains and gossip with your people when things are bad, they will catch that. Next time they gossip about you. Yes. It's spiritual. Are you getting it, Nata? Yes. She knows me very well. She'll call me crying. I'll say, get up and dress up and show up. Yes. Wow. And she's like, how? We were ridiculous yesterday on Facebook. And it's so what? That's the fact, but not the truth. We know the truth. We move on. We press on. We have touched the life of so many people. We cannot afford to give up now. Do you understand that? That's what you do as a leader. You lead by mind. When you're a leader, you must be a visionary. Yeah. My man, people follow a leader that thinks. They follow a leader that is creative. You need to lead by mind. Leaders are readers. You need to know what's happening in your country. You need to know what's happening economically. You need to know what's happening politically. Because that will affect your decision and how you lead your team. But if you are not clued up of what is happening, do you understand that? So I pay attention to these things politically because when I saw our chairman with the president of China in South Africa, then I knew alignment is powerful. I knew now the right time to do business is with Asia. Now I understood why our former president Zuma was pushing that side. Then I aligned myself immediately with the company that is from there. You understand that? But if we didn't know, because I say Europe was join, then you are misaligned. Do you understand that? Because the Chinese, they came, they left money in our country. Therefore, because they left money here, do you think our government will touch them? Never. Power of alignment. Knowing what's happening around you, economically, politically, and socially. Because if you know what is happening socially, you will not go everywhere and preach platinum VIP. You will be mindful of where you are going and where you are. And you will know the right product to preach to your people. Do you understand that? Mangena eKwaZulu Natal uvele ngithi mayivayele pet. Because I know they'll buy my pet, they'll sell and get their money back. Do you understand that? But mangena eJoburg ngithi mayivayele skincare. Do you understand that? You know your customers. Paying attention to details. Are you still with me? Yes. I hope you are all excited. Yes. And after this, we'll do this business the right way. Because if we do it the right way, we'll make money. And lastly, leaders are readers. You can't be a leader that does not read. Like I told you till today, the reason why you must read, listen to this, and the reason why I'm not against education, and it's a mistake that people make. Education helps you to think out of the box. Education is not only about the paper, but it helps you to think out of the box. It helps you to think as well in terms of applications. Do you understand that? That's why as a leader, this slide was talking to leader existing members. So leaders, make sure that you constantly read so that you can think outside of the box. When they say there's no bamboo soap, you'll think of the alternative. Yeah. Do you understand that? Yeah. You'll think differently, and even how you advertise or carry yourself on social media will be different. Do you understand that? Yes. You can't go on social media and make noise about everything. You'll be relevant. You'll make sense. You'll talk to the right people. Amen. You'll attract the right energy. Amen. KwaZulu-Natal, it has been an absolute pleasure to be here. And I hope you have learned. And to my people, in closure, I want to say, Ubuntu, no? Let's continue humbling ourselves. Let money not define us, but let money be the enabler. I'm saying this in preparation, preparing you, because I know money is going to attack you. Because money is to a point where it's a good attack. It's a good attack. You understand that it's a good attack. So let's be humble. Ubuntu. Black people were known for Ubuntu. Let us not lose that because now we have money. But let that money help us to touch where our government cannot reach. Take this money to where our government cannot go. Be a solution to your country. Say, I am a solution to my country. I am a solution to my country. There is a problem. There is a problem in our country. And we are the solution. We have the solution. We have the solution in our product. Cervical cancer is real. The healthcare system in our country, only the elite can have access to the healthcare. We have a solution in our product. Let's take it. We have a business case. Oh, yes. We have a business case. All right. That's it from me. I'm so excited. It is an absolute honor, privilege. I do not take it for granted to be here. I forgot to do the right thing, to acknowledge our manager, the leadership, the staff directors, my upliner. You know my heart. You know my heart. You know my heart. If it wasn't of you, you know me. My family will forever be grateful for you. Thank you so much. When your wife was all over the country preaching the gospel of sanitary napkin. You were there looking after our kids. Our son, because when I started this business, my son was only 4 months old. My husband was the one looking after them. So thank you so much.